Now let's move on to another IIT JEE question asked in the year 2014 in IIT JEE main examination. It says if x is equal to -1, x is equal to 2 are the extreme points. That means they are the extreme points of function fx is equal to alpha log mod x plus beta x square plus x. Then what are the values of alpha and beta, or which of this option is correct? Now definitely talking about extreme points reminds me of the derivative. So let's start finding the derivative of this function and then let's move forward to more details. So the function is what? The function is fx, and what would be the derivative? It would be nothing but as f dash x. What would be f dash x? Alpha remains as it is, log x differentiation is 1 by x plus beta x square when differentiated with respect to x gives me 2 beta x plus x differentiation with respect to x is 1. So what is the value of f dash x? It is nothing but alpha upon x plus 2 beta x plus 1. Now extreme points are there two. First one is -1. So f dash -1 should be equal to 0. Why? Because you know the reason, x is equal to -1 is an extreme point. In short, I am writing that if we have an extreme point, the first derivative on putting that value should be getting us 0. So f dash -1 is equal to 0. That means minus alpha minus 2 beta plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation that you are getting. In short, I can write it as minus alpha minus 2 beta is equal to -1 is equation number 1. Let's put this in a box. This will help us probably later on. Next, similarly, second extreme point is what? It is 2. So f dash 2 should also be 0 because of the simple reason that my 2 is also an extreme point. Extreme point, in short, I have written for you. Next, f dash 2 means wherever you have the function f dash, you can put it 2 there and that should be equal to 0. So it gives me something called as this equation, right? Wherever we had 2 to be there, in place of x, 2 2s makes it 4, alpha upon 2. Let's take the LCM. Alpha plus 8 beta is equal to -2. Which is this equation? Definitely equation number 2. Two equations, two unknowns, directly you can solve it. So what is the value of alpha beta? That you have to tell me now. So first equation, second equation, what to do? Solve it. So solving over here, what do I do is, this has minus alpha, this has alpha, directly you can add these equations. So you write add 1 and 2. So what do you get? Alpha minus alpha cancels, 8 beta minus 2 beta gives me 6 beta is equal to, on the other side, what do we get? -2 minus 1 makes it -3. So my beta is equal to -1 upon 2. Right? When beta is obtained, directly you can obtain alpha. But first see, beta is -1 by 2. Where is beta -1 by 2? Only in B and C options. That means directly A and D strike off. Right? Either my alpha has to be -6 or 2. Let's solve it. We have beta. You can put in any of the equations to obtain alpha. Let's put in 1. Put in 1. What is the value of alpha? It is minus alpha minus 2 beta. So it is minus alpha minus 2 beta. Put the values. You can directly see it is +1 is equal to -1, or minus alpha is equal to -2, or alpha is equal to 2. So alpha is equal to 2. Hence my answer is option number C.